Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Cedars-Sinai, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the Cedars-Sinai website URL. Press enter to navigate to the site. Once the home page loads, locate the login button. This button is usually found at the top right corner of the page. Click on the login button to proceed. You will be redirected to the login page. Here, you'll see fields for your username and password. Enter your username in the designated field. Next, type your password into the password field. Double-check that your credentials are entered correctly. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password if necessary. After entering your login information, click the Sign In button. If your credentials are correct, you will be directed to your account dashboard. In case of an error, ensure that you retry with the correct username and password. If issues persist, consider checking your internet connection. Alternatively, contact Cedars-Sinai support for assistance. Once logged in, explore the features available on your dashboard. If needed, log out by clicking the Logout option when finished. This will ensure your account remains secure. You have now successfully logged into Cedars-Sinai. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.